Well, I'm pretty sure that by now you already know what happened to us and Aquarius, and I'm sure you're eager to find out more about accident. But I'm at no capacity mentally to look or even more work on the footage of that accident. And I yearn to remember times when we could enjoy and sail without a worry. Therefore, I will continue where we left off, in Canary Islands. We left the Canary Islands, Tenerife, for the Atlantic Ocean crossing. It is a little over 2,600 nautical miles going straight. But due to prevailing trade winds, majority of sailors and we sailed south towards Cape Verde. We were not sure if we would stop there or continue, and we were ready for either.
We'll see you when you get down there. I'll talk to you soon.
Winds were favorable and we were moving forward. At our average speed of 5.8 knots, that should take about 6 days if we decide to stop in Cape Verde, Mindelo.
Day number 3, we're going pretty slow. The first day was only a partial day because we left about 11:15, I think.
That is correct.
And yesterday was a full day. Today is going to be our second full day. And today we're going to put up the ballooner, taking off. We're only averaging 3.6, 3.7, 4.2. So we're averaging somewhere around 3.8 knots. We're hoping to get that up to 6.5 knots. Because we don't got all month to get there. We got a party to get to.
So what were you doing? You were texting with your friends?
Yeah, we've got a Starlink. So, yeah, I've been talking to my friends and having conversations. And it doesn't drop out at all. I just have really nice conversations. I haven't done that ballooner in so long now.
How long? 6 months?
Years.
Years?
The last time it was up was last year when we went into Socotra.
Uh-oh. That wasn't last year, it was 2022.
Yeah, we didn't use it in the Med at all.
We were flying Genoa on the starboard side, where the ballooner's supposed to go, so we had to switch it to the port side.
So about a year ago, we went across the Red Sea. Now, due to all the Yemeni attacks on the ships, all the ships are rerouted. As you can see, they are going now where we're going, down through Cape Verde, down through South Africa, and up. So we should be able to see a lot of ships. All the green ones, they've been filming.
You still see a lot of ships that are going up and down. I thought you'd see maybe less, but still a lot of
Yeah.
ships.
So all the green ones is cargo. Red ones, I believe, is the tankers, and the pink ones, which are here, is pleasure crafts. As you can see now, it's a lot of them, including us, going to Cape Verde, or some of them skipping, but today it's not looking good. Skip that corner because there's a huge storm brewing, and another one. So
Yeah, I'd hate to be up here right now. Man, there's a huge storm up there. Oh boy. He's right there. He just surfaced. Where'd he go? Where'd who go? Well, the next time he's gonna... Oh, there's another one. That's a bigger one. But the little one, he should be right over here now. Really close.
The whales came and went, and then the dolphins joined us.
Waves are getting bigger, and the weather forecast says that they're supposed to get twice as big as they are right now. But they're slow rollers.
Hola! For tonight I will be making curry. I know we might be stopping in Mindelo, Cape Verde. So these things would be the easiest to repurchase. There is a big storm north of us. Kind of the reason why we have to stop in Cape Verde, because it will be like no wind for 3 or 4 days at all. I'm also excited to stop in Cape Verde because it's a new country. When is gonna be next time when we're gonna go there? I don't think anytime soon. And a lot of sailors who are traveling on, I think it's called Vikings something. A lot of them, our friends, they will be stopping there as well. So it's gonna be interesting to get together. Hey, we have sunrise.
Oh, that means I get to go to sleep now and you get to wake up.
Yes.
I've been up almost all night long getting some big rollers in.
What's our speed, Captain?
We're probably averaging about 5.5 knots.
Oh, so beautiful.
To do this, here we go.
It didn't like that.
Nice. All right. Do it, baby.
High wind velocity. It's not.
Where's it going?
I know. It's very difficult.
It won't go down like I want it. Babe, we're gonna have to stop the boat. I'll stop the boat, you just keep it close. We should not have put that on in the ocean first, because it didn't perform the same.
I agree.
And so therefore we lost the drone.
I agree. We lost a drone. But now sails are back. We took them down when we were hoping to rescue our Mavic Pro. But
Well, that didn't work.
so what happened, we had the 3D handle printed for our old Mavic Pro, first generation. And the mistake we didn't try it on land. It was not behaving as normal. And the waves are pretty high. And we are rocking quite a lot. And yeah, so we lost a drone. It looked beautiful from up top. I even didn't take the screenshots. I could have at least done that. Oh well.
So we have a little bit of wind, maybe 5 knots.
And it's so slow we're almost getting the death roll. But the wind's coming from about this direction. We're gonna turn down, which is about 90 degrees, get that wind directly behind us, slow the boat. So we'll pull the engine back to about maybe 1,000. And then what we're gonna do is put out our sails.
Hola!
How was the day?
It was pretty good. We took down the ballooner a while ago. Had to turn the motor on last night, so we've been motoring this whole time, and we'll have to motor all the way there because the wind's died down to 0. But with that, you know, I beat the Admiral in Monopoly cards twice today. She beat me twice as well. We finished the book about Musk. That was interesting. That's a good book. I wouldn't want to be Musk, but it's nice to have people like that around.
Quiet. Wind, non-existent. Sails pretty much rolled up. We still have main and mizzen, just to keep us stable more or less. Tomorrow morning we should be in Cape Verde.
Welcome to Cape Verde!
Country number 50.
Woohoo! Got all of our fenders ready. Starlink is awesome. So as we're coming in, I'm seeing whale breaths right over there. I saw the hump of a whale come out. Awesome.
Oh wow, that's interesting. Aquarius in Cape Verde.
We're in a Mindelo. This is Sailing Vessel Aquarius.
When you're more close to the marina, you call again on 72. I call the red dinghy to help you.
Okay.
Captain King. So, we are in Cape Verde. Very nice. Getting gas. We left Marina and going to immigration. That looks really pretty. Hey, I like it here. Mindelo Marina, and there's a sailfish. That's a pretty cool statue, but what's curious, this guy is just sitting in a car and talking on the phone in the middle of the street. And the man with the crutch is just standing there. So we have a very eager helper. We didn't ask for help, but he's insisting. We checked into the port marine and with immigration, and we will have to come back when we leave.
How much did it cost?
It cost €2 for somebody to accompany us to show us where it is. But other than that,
didn't need that,
nothing for now. Nothing for now.
Zippo.
And Marina for 4 days was $200.
Yeah, very good.
You live there?
No, no, this is from.
I'm a follower.
We found a follower, at least one.
What's your name and what's your boat name?
My boat name is Marco Polo.
Marco Polo?
Yes, from Spain, from Muros, in the northwest part of Spain. I am a follower of you. I am following you since a couple of years ago when you were starting around the world. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for following us.
Thank you.
Our friends arrived.
And you tighten up the bow.
I know them.
I know you.
Hi. Ball? Yeah.
Play ball?
Yeah, do you play basketball?
No, no.
You're just a fan of Westbrook?
Yes, I like the style.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
like KD. I have the same jersey except KD's.
I love it.
But yeah, but I have that
Oklahoma.
jersey except for it's Durant. Let's get over there. All right, and stop scratching him and then see what he does.
He just did it. He or she, I don't know.
I thought that was a dog.
It's a monkey.
Do you like it here?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Is
I
that
like
the
it.
restaurant that they were talking about?
Yes, let's go there. Cheers.
The city is nice and interesting, and the best part of it, it's right next to the marina.
And guess who's showing up? It's Migahoo. I mean Migaloo.
Aquarius next to Mindelo.
Wow.
Now that is a nice beach.
You are feasting on burgers lately, aren't you?
So you're the coach of all the kids?
Yes,
What's your name?
Delilah Oliveira.
Oh, that's a good shot. So how'd you teach her that? Or is that just innate?
That's just how she is. She just comes here, starts shooting, and she's always up to learn new things, you know.
How many students you got?
24 right now.
24 students. Wow, that's awesome.
Great meeting good people.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
And hey, a little bit of one-on-one. Let's do it.
And now when all the Viking Explorer group joined us, it's big party and we are invited as well. Our last day in Cape Verde. We're leaving tomorrow morning, right at the time when the marina opens. And we cleaned the house. We're gonna be getting more water and maybe washing the boat a little bit. I cleaned and we got a flag of Cape Verde and some more fruits and veggies, which are expensive because everything is imported here. We are happy that we can have some fresh produce. We're
Yeah,
gonna take off in like hour
hour and a half, something like that. Let's get going. Where are we going? We're going to Migaloo.
Migaloo for famous bacon waffles.
All right, let's do it.
What are you coming for?
Bacon waffles.
From France. It's bacon waffle time. It's bacon waffle time.
Oh my God, are you making bacon waffles?
I am making bacon waffles. These are bacon waffles.
Can't do this every day, folks. But once in a while, no problem.
My last duties. Take out the trash,
Return marina
return the
cards.
cards, and then we take off.
So we have Richard from Tiny Dancer. He was a good,
You're filming. Hi
Yeah.
everyone.
yeah, he was a good friend. Had a lot of fun together.
I'm come to wave you goodbye.
Yeah,
Well, till Martinique anyway.
yeah, till Martinique. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.
They said they came from Spanish